I will show you how to use select case statement. First, we need a combo box and a command button. We will use combo box as the stored items. To add an item in the combo box, go to Properties and select Items and click Collection. This is the area where you can add an item to the combo box. So the combo box now have an item, list of items. So we will change the name of the combo box into CMB list and the command button name btn select and the caption of it. So we will code in the button select. First, we need to declare a variable str as string. This string will hold the value of combo box. Select case str. We choose str so every time we select an item in the combo box, it will read by the statement select case. So if the selected item is equals to apple, then it will show a message box. Apple was selected. Let's try apple. So we select the item apple and message box show that the selected item was apple. Orange and banana. So the syntax is correct. This is how the select case statement use.